Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new to PC gaming and want to install Epic Games on Windows, in this 2026 tutorial, it's perfect for you. We start by opening the browser application and type Epic Games in the search. You will find the Epic Game website, and to make it simple, you can click on download Epic Games Launcher. Then click install on Windows. Then it will automatically start downloading the launcher for the Epic Games application. Okay, if you have finished downloading the launcher from Epic Games, we go to the file download location, then double click on the Epic installer to start downloading and installing the Epic Games application on your Windows. We need to wait until download and installing process complete. Now the Epic Games application have been successfully installed on your Windows, and next you need to open this application and we will log in to enter the application. By the way, if you don't have an account yet, you can press create an account. The registration method is also quite easy. You can use Google account to create the Epic Games account. In here, I'm already have Epic Game account from the Google account, so I will log in through the Google. Here we will direct to the browser to select the Google account that we have. If it's finished like this, next we close the browser application, and the next steps to enter the password. And then just click continue, click continue. Follow the video until we get to the Epic Games menu. And finally, now we have successfully entered Epic Games, and here you can download and buy various games. Thank you for watching and see you in another one.